It is not mandatory for NRIs to have an Aadhar card, but if you had one before leaving India, this video is for you. In this video, we will talk about how to check if your Aadhar card and PAN card are linked. If they are not linked, we will also be covering the steps on how to link both. Hello and welcome to NRI Money with Alok, where we simplify your financial journey across borders. Today, we are focusing on a crucial task for NRIs, which is how to link your PAN with your Aadhar card. Let me start with why should an NRI link PAN to Aadhar? Well, it's not just a regulatory requirement, it also streamlines your financial identity here in India, ensuring seamless transactions and compliance with your tax laws. As an NRI, you are likely to have significant financial footprints in India. Now, this could be in the form of property ownership, mutual funds, some stocks, or maybe other types of investments. This financial presence makes the linkage of PAN with your Aadhar not just advisable but also essential. Now, allow me to guide you through the process in a clear step-by-step manner. Step 1. Check for the eligibility. By confirming that whether your Aadhar card is valid or not, you need to log on to the website and check whether your Aadhar card is eligible for the linking process or not. Second, visit the income tax website. Now proceed by visiting the income tax e-filing website or the portal specifically designated for PAN-Aadhaar linking. I am sharing some screenshots which you can refer while logging onto the website. Now enter the details here, for which you will need your PAN, your Aadhar numbers, both required at the same time. Ensure that these details are entered correctly and exactly as registered to avoid any discrepancies. Verify the details. Now before submitting, take a moment to verify whether the details entered by you match correctly to your PAN and Aadhar card or not. This step helps you avoid any potential issues down the line. And last step is submitting the form. After filling in all the details necessary and verifying them, proceed with submitting of the form and complete any authentication process required in the same. Now, upon successful linking, you will receive a confirmation message either via an email or an SMS on your registered contact details. Now, the simple act of linking your PAN with your Aadhar goes beyond merely just ticking off the boxes on a to-do list. It's a vital part of integrating yourself into the Indian financial ecosystem and also ensuring that your investments and transactions proceed without any hitches or hassles. For more insights into NRI finances, stay tuned to NRI Money with Alok. Drop any of your questions or experiences in the comments below. We would be happy to help you. Until next time, thank you.